Dive into Mind Syrup, your sweet spot for science and technology enlightenment.
Have you ever pondered about the magnitude and impact of Alzheimer's disease worldwide? It's a question that invites us to reflect on a reality that is far more pervasive than most of us realize. Alzheimer's is not just a disease that affects the elderly in our communities. It's a global health crisis, a silent epidemic that touches every corner of our world. Imagine a city with a population of around 50 million. That's roughly the number of people currently living with dementia worldwide, and Alzheimer's represents a significant majority of these cases. It's a staggering figure, isn't it? Yet the true reach of Alzheimer's extends far beyond those directly diagnosed. It also encompasses the millions of family members, friends, and caregivers whose lives are deeply impacted by the disease. The toll of Alzheimer's is multifold. Emotionally, it can be heart-wrenching to witness a loved one gradually lose their memories, their sense of self, their connection to the world around them. Physically, the demands of caregiving can lead to exhaustion and health issues. Economically, the costs are substantial. From direct medical expenses to loss of productivity and income for caregivers, Alzheimer's can destabilize families and strain healthcare systems. Yet amidst this sobering picture, there's a glimmer of hope. Innovative research and technological advancements are paving the way for early detection and potentially more effective treatment options. The sooner we can identify the onset of Alzheimer's, the better chance we have at slowing its progression and mitigating its impact. In this era of rapid scientific advancement, we stand on the cusp of breakthroughs that could change the narrative of Alzheimer's. From the exploration of promising proteins that could block the disease to the use of artificial intelligence for early detection, we are pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. The question that arises then is, can we prevent or slow down the progression of Alzheimer's? As we delve deeper into this topic, let's keep this question at the forefront of our minds. It's a question that drives researchers worldwide, and one that holds the promise of a future where Alzheimer's is no longer an insurmountable challenge. To answer that, we first need to delve into the science behind Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease is not just about forgetfulness. It's a complex condition that affects the brain, causing damage to nerve cells and leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. To understand Alzheimer's, picture your brain as a bustling city. Its roads are neural pathways and the cars are information signals. Now imagine what would happen if trash started piling up on these roads, blocking the cars. This is essentially what happens in Alzheimer's. The trash in this case are protein plaques and neurofibrillary tangles. Protein plaques, primarily composed of a protein called beta amyloid, clump together, forming hard, insoluble deposits in the brain. These plaques build up between nerve cells, hindering their communication. It's like a barricade on a busy highway, blocking the flow of traffic. On the other hand, neurofibrillary tangles are made up of a protein called tau. In a healthy brain, tau helps maintain the structure of neurons. But in Alzheimer's, tau collapses into twisted strands or tangles. Picture a bridge collapsing in our city analogy. The result? Information can't flow smoothly from one part of the brain to another. These plaques and tangles are the hallmark features of Alzheimer's, causing disruption to the brain's internal communication. They lead to cell death and tissue loss, which in turn results in the memory loss and cognitive decline characteristic of the disease. Decades of research have shown us that these protein buildups play a significant role in the development of Alzheimer's. But the exact relationship between these proteins and the full-blown disease is still a topic of ongoing research. It's a tough nut to crack, but scientists are tirelessly working to unravel this mystery. But what if there was a protein that could block these harmful effects? A groundbreaking discovery has revealed a protein that could block the destructive effects of Alzheimer's. Unveiling the hero of our story, let's dive into the world of proteins, specifically this promising protein that's making waves in the medical world. Proteins, as we know, are essential building blocks of life, taking on countless roles within our bodies. This particular protein, discovered by diligent scientists, has been found to play a significant role in protecting our brains from the ravages of Alzheimer's disease. Here's how it works. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by the buildup of harmful plaques in the brain, known as beta amyloid plaques. These plaques interfere with the normal functioning of our neurons, leading to the memory loss and cognitive decline we associate with Alzheimer's. Our promising protein, however, has a unique ability to prevent this plaque formation. It acts like a vigilant guard, standing at the ready to neutralize these harmful plaques before they can cause damage. Just imagine the potential implications of this. If we could boost the levels of this protein in our bodies, we could potentially block the destructive effects of Alzheimer's, paving the way for more effective disease management. This protein could offer a powerful tool in our arsenal against Alzheimer's, holding the potential to transform millions of lives. Of course, like any scientific discovery, this finding is the beginning of a journey, not the end. There are still many questions to be answered. How can we safely and effectively increase this protein in humans? What are the potential side effects? And how will this discovery fit into the larger picture of Alzheimer's treatment? Nevertheless, the discovery of this protein is an exciting leap forward. It provides a glimmer of hope in our ongoing battle against Alzheimer's, offering a tantalizing glimpse of a potential future where Alzheimer's is not a life sentence, but a manageable condition. This protein is a beacon of hope. But how can we detect Alzheimer's before it's too late? Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence are stepping in to aid early detection of Alzheimer's. Now, isn't that something? In this constantly evolving world of ours, we're finding new ways to leverage technology to tackle some of the toughest challenges in healthcare. And Alzheimer's disease, one of the most prevalent and devastating neurodegenerative disorders, is no exception. So, how does artificial intelligence come into play? Well, it's all about early detection. You see, Alzheimer's disease often goes undiagnosed until symptoms start to appear. But by that time, it's usually progressed quite a bit. The key to successful treatment and potentially slowing the disease's progression lies in catching it early, before symptoms even begin. That's where AI steps in. By using complex algorithms, AI can analyze brain scans and other medical data to predict the onset of Alzheimer's. These algorithms are designed to identify subtle patterns or changes that might be overlooked by the human eye. They can recognize early signs of the disease, such as small changes in brain structure or function that could indicate Alzheimer's is taking hold. But it doesn't stop there. The power of AI extends beyond just detection. It can also help us understand the disease better. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify correlations and patterns that can lead to new insights about the disease. It's like having a super-powered microscope that can see things we can't, helping us to understand the mechanisms of Alzheimer's on a whole new level. And remember that promising protein we discussed earlier? Well, AI can also help us understand how that protein works to block Alzheimer's. By modeling the interactions between the protein and brain cells, AI can shed light on the exact mechanisms through which this protein can help prevent the disease. So, in essence, AI doesn't just predict Alzheimer's, but it also holds the key to understanding how our promising protein works. It's a powerful tool in our fight against this devastating disease, and its potential is just beginning to be realized. Imagine a world where this protein and AI work hand in hand to battle Alzheimer's. Yes, that's right. We're talking about an alliance between biological science and artificial intelligence. A synergy that could potentially transform the way we approach Alzheimer's disease. Artificial intelligence, a technology that's reshaping countless aspects of our lives, is now stepping into the realm of protein structure and function. AI has the capacity to analyze vast amounts of data at a pace that's simply beyond human capability. With this power, it can help us delve deeper into the intricacies of the protein that holds promise in blocking Alzheimer's. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can scrutinize the protein's structure, its behavior, and its interactions with other elements in the body. This can provide us with invaluable insights that can help us understand why this protein is effective in halting the progression of Alzheimer's. But the collaboration doesn't stop there. Once we grasp the protein's functionality, AI can assist in devising personalized treatment plans. Using predictive analytics, it can determine the optimum dosage and treatment duration for each individual, considering their unique genetic makeup and overall health status. Moreover, AI can play a pivotal role in early detection. As we discussed earlier, it has the potential to spot Alzheimer's before the symptoms even surface, offering a head start in the battle against this formidable disease. This fusion of protein and AI is not just about treatment, it's also about management. AI can monitor patients, track their progress, and adjust treatment plans as required. This means we can provide continuous, personalized care that adapts to the patient's changing needs. The future of Alzheimer's management is bright, with the amalgamation of groundbreaking protein research and cutting-edge AI technology. This union may well be the key to unlocking a future where Alzheimer's is no longer an insurmountable challenge, but a manageable condition.
Cherish knowledge, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, explore science and tech.